Hi, now I'm going to teach you how to use any AI or an AI on your Google Sheets. So let's get started. Regarding the AI that we're going to use is, we're going to call it prompt loop. This prompt loop is internally on Google Sheets as of now. It's just an add-on. Let's get to the example more on later. Anyway, I just want to let you know what is the use of prompt loop, or what do we do with it. So prompt loop has 6 general purposes. It analyzes sales lists, augmented search, e-commerce listings, transform message text, drafts emails and outreach, and unpack survey responses. And personally, I love prompt loop because of this purpose right here: e-commerce listing and transform message text. Well, it's gonna have an example there. Actually, we're gonna have 2 examples here. First example is we're gonna have fruits and colors, and second one is like e-commerce listings. So take note of e-commerce listings and augmented research. Okay. So moving on, the discussion of prompt loop is, it's really a free one. You don't have to pay for it. There's no subscription, so you don't even have to create an account. You can use your Google account for it. Just log in. It's really on Google Sheets as of now. So please, let's move on. First things first, I want you to choose any browser you want from here on out. As you can see here, I'm using Microsoft Edge. Personally, I love this browser. You can choose any browser you want. Now from here, I want you to access your Google Sheets. It's accessible for any browser or in any internet form. Now, once you're here, I want you to look on the top part of your Google Sheets. You're going to have File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Data, Tools, and Extensions. And also Help, of course. Let's focus on extensions, okay? From here on out, I want you to be focusing on extensions and look for add-ons. Once you're in add-ons, I want you to look for Get Add-ons, and it will redirect you to this store right here. It's like a marketplace of ads or extension. It's just like your App Store on your iPhone. From here, I want you to look for prompt loop. It's just gonna be one result, the one and only prompt loop extension here. And as you can see, guys, mine is already installed. Please install yours. Don't be scared. You don't have to pay for anything. There's no subscription, and you can use your Google account logging in. So don't worry, you don't have to create a new account for this one. Now, since mine is already installed, let's go back to business here. And please, while we're here, I want you to focus only on example number 1, which should be this one right here. Disregard this first. Don't mention that. So I'm gonna use example number 2. So let's focus on example number 1 as of now, and let's name this column fruits and this one color. So since I'm helping you to ease your burden using Google Sheets and have a very organized data, take note, these are fruits, these are colors. Now, as you can see, I've named them, or I've categorized them as the right color for each fruit. Apple is red, orange is orange, kiwi is green, plum is purple. Now, I'm gonna try naming this tree without searching around Google. Like, for example, I'm not gonna use raisin. What color? I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna use this method here that I'm gonna teach you. So first, let's type in prompt loop. It's the first one. You can just click this one, or personally, I just click on tab. Now it's gonna ask for input examples. So for input examples, I'm gonna choose this one, this 4 ones over here. Why did I choose this 4 one over here? Because these are the one that has an output already. For example, apple, orange, kiwi, and plum has red, orange, green, and purple. And please don't forget, we're gonna put them on absolute formula. And how do you do that? You can just press F4 from here. Take note here, okay, guys? It says D7 colon D10. When I press F4, it's gonna have that $sign over here, which is an important part. It's that absolute formula. Now from here, I want you to click on comma. Now it's gonna ask for output examples now. Which are the output examples? It's the colors from these fruits over here. So I'm just gonna drag this one right here, red to purple. And again, please don't forget clicking F4. Please make sure you see those $sign interval of each letters and numbers. So once I secure that, I'm just gonna click on comma again. Now it's gonna ask for a target cell. What cell am I targeting? It should be this one right here, raisin. And how come I'm not using lemon or banana? It will explain itself later. Once you complete this formula, just click enter. And as you can see, raisin is already loading. And you saw it by yourself. I didn't search for anything on Google or anywhere. It automatically gave the color of that fruit. Now from here, as I mentioned earlier, why did I choose this one or this one for a target cell? It's just the same, guys. It doesn't really matter because I'm just gonna drag this over here. And there you go. Lemon is neutral, banana is yellow. See how it made our life easier? Okay then, so that's example number 1 for you. Let's move on to example number 2. So this is a little bit more complicated, but it's not really that hard. It's just a longer examples here to be more specific. Okay then, so for this one, I'm gonna name this brands. And then this one, description. Perfect. Now from here, Max, Sneakers, Blue, Men's, Premium, or Leather. These are brands or identification for specific footwear. And what is Max Sneaker good for? Max Sneakers are perfect match for any outfit. You will look sharp in these blue leather shoes featuring premium leather and our ironclad guarantee. This is the description for this sneaker. Now, for the second one, summer flats, women's wear, and activewear, this is the description for this footwear. Let's just rename this footwear. Perfect. Now from here, as you can see, I have a description for summer flats, which is these are your companion for sunny days and your next vacation. Whether heading to the beach or a poolside soiree, these shoes will be your new turn your screen reader support. I might click that one over here. Give me a second. Let's just use that one. Okay then. From here, just follow the example that I've taught you earlier. Click on the equal sign as you would on your normal formula. Click on prompt loop. Tab input examples, which is these two right here, the ones that has the description already. And then, as always, don't forget that F4, comma. Now it's asking for a output examples. Output example should be this one right here. From here, click on F4 again, and then comma. Now it's asking for a target cell, which is this one or this one. It doesn't really matter. So I'm just gonna choose this one again just to be safe, and click on enter. Now it's loading. It's making a description for loafers, men's formal wear in 2023, which is the loafers are the perfect match for any formal outfit. Whether you're going to the office or a wedding, these men's shoes are the perfect match. Order now. So as you can see, guys, this technique can help you on your social media or Shopify, boost on leads, something like that. Now once I have this formula already, I'm just gonna drag this down right here. It's gonna describe boat shoes, men's, suede, and Italian. The boat shoes are the ultimate casual shoe, and so on and so forth. So the method I taught you right now is it will help you guys to ease the burden on your sales or having any blogs that you want. As you can see here, you don't have to search Google for anything here for the description. That AI will help that one for you. So anyway, that's how you use an AI on Google Sheets. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.